guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, hey. If not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I got this Glueless wig install. Yes, it is Glueless. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you like the vibe, go ahead and join the tribe and hit the subscribe button. I've been posting videos every Thursday and you don't want to miss anything. So let's get into this video. Okay guys, so in this video I will be showing you how I lay down this Glueless wig. I didn't use any glue, any gel, nothing. Like nothing at all, just the wig itself. So yeah, if you watch my previous videos, and I have a detailed wig install video if you guys want to check that out. I'll have it in the cards. But if you watch my previous videos, you know I like to cut my lace off first. So I've already cut my lace off of this wig. This is a side part wig. I bought it from AliExpress as well. I have the link down below. Honestly, most of the wigs I get from AliExpress. I buy them from different vendors on AliExpress. So yeah, that's where this wig came from. It is 12 inches. It's ash blonde, dark at the roots, and like I said, it comes with the side part. So I already cut the lace off. And this wig, I would not say the cap is not really big, so I don't know if you want to call it big head friendly or not. I wouldn't call it big head friendly. I don't think I have a big head. I think I have a medium sized head, and it's a little snuggy snug on me. So yeah, but I cut my lace off first. Okay, so I already got a wig cap on. A lot of times my hair is in a protective style underneath my wig cap, so sometimes it's in 2 braids, sometimes it's in multiple braids, sometimes it's in a twist out, but little bitty twist, and it's in a ponytail. It just depends on, you know, the hairstyle and how long I plan on wearing it. So this wig does come with 1, 2, 3, 4 combs if you need those. 1 on each side. It's 1 in the middle and then 1 in the nape area. I'm not going to use any of these combs. It does come with adjustable straps as well. That is what I'll be using to tighten my wig so that it doesn't come off. So we got her tight. Okay, for this style I already have my edges laid down. I didn't do any crazy baby hair because you're not really gonna see that, but if you are one of those people that like that, hey, go for it. So we're gonna adjust this on my head like so. I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Okay, so my wig is already secure and it's not going anywhere, as you can see. It's on really nice like. I'm gonna flat iron it. While my flat irons warm up, I'm going to put some concealer on my part to kind of define it a little bit more. Honestly guys, I didn't have to do anything to this wig when I got it. It came already colored like this. It came with the part already, and the part was already pre-plucked, as you guys can see. I didn't have to do anything to it, but I am going to add some concealer to it just because I want it to look a little more natural. Before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, not Okay guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this wig install was simple and easy for you guys to understand. I would highly recommend going out and getting this. You need to add this unit to your collection. I mean, why not? She's beautiful. She is beautiful. I mean, look at her. She is beautiful. You can, you know, dress her up, wear her for a dressy night. In fact, I will post a picture of when I actually wore this wig out. I will post the picture of the wig and the outfit so you guys can see what it looks like dressy. Just so you know, she does go good with a good girls night or a good date night, but it's also, you know, a very classy wig as well. She's simple, so you can just wear every day as well, just however you feel. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and share it. Why? Because sharing is caring, and it really does help me in the algorithm and, you know, help get my videos out there. As always, thank you for the support, and I will catch you guys in my next video.